Hello, everyone. I'm Alan Beaulieu from ITR Economics, but I suspect most of you know that already because I have enjoyed the pleasure of your company for years now. And boy, that's a good conference that's put together for us this year at the Broadmoor. I mean, can you imagine a more beautiful place for us to be in September from the 8th through the 10th as EBC puts this together for us, this EBC conference that CCI Media is putting together for us. It's just a great event. I'm going to be talking to you about the economy. You know that, but there's a lot going on in the economy. In September, we'll be talking about inflation and interest rates. If there's going to be tax changes, what does all this Washington spending mean for now? What does it mean for the future? What does it mean for your business in particular? What are the opportunities that you're facing? What are the pitfalls that you're facing? And we're going to be talking about a little longer term looks so we can get you to the middle of this decade, because there are some things you need to be aware of. And in case you're wondering, we are going to touch upon 2030 to see if all this modern monetary theory, all this spending, all this bringing money and fiat currency to the economy is going to have an impact or change any of that. They see we have a lot to talk about. And as we get together to talk about it, we're going to be in person, and how great is that? We've made it through, you've made it through, and we're going to have a good time together. And hopefully you'll walk away feeling very confident and with some solid action items for you to deploy once you get back home. Thank you. Look forward to seeing you.